Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm your boy Karanja Munjiru, and on today's episode, before we even do anything, I don't know if you guys are prepared. Already you can see the view, like the views are serving. So I'm gonna be taking you to the forest that is in Kereita, and on top of that, we are gonna go to Uganda. That is at the end of this video. I have an amazing lady by the name Rosemary. This is on our street questionnaire. Let me tell you, you guys are not so ready for this. Sit back, relax, and get your passport, because yeah, we are about to travel. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, and enjoy. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How has the day been?
My day has been wonderful.
What have you done today?
I have hiked, trekked.
Trekking. And then
I have
the cherry. That's the cherry on the
That's the
cake.
cherry on top. People should come here. People should visit this place.
Would you do it again?
I would.
How many times? Over and over again.
110.
Thank you so much, Ashikidia. Thank you. So hey guys, my mic is not working properly, so I don't know if I'm audible enough. Today I'm on my way to Kereita Forest. I'll make sure to plug you on everything that I do today. I'll be doing hiking. This place called Kereita, the forest. They have a couple of activities that you can indulge in, but I'm gonna be doing hiking. They have ziplining, they have paintballing. I'm at viewpoint. Come with me. The sun is doing the work. Enough extra. So, but before we get there, make sure to hit that subscription button, like, share this video with someone that would like to maybe have a good time with me together. So, I'm just stupid. It wouldn't be fair if I failed to mention the team that I'm traveling with, or the company. I'm using the Real Nature Walk and Adventure. You can check them out on Instagram, on Facebook, and yeah, next time they're going for. We will be going, because I'm a part of the team, we will be going to Mount Elgonot. That is on 28th. If you'd like to join, just go on their page, inbox, yeah, and see you then. So we've already started the hiking. Let me tell you, Maina. We're heading to the waterfall.
Kama hutaki kukuja hapa.
Msiki kuchoka.
Guys!
Tamu sana. Nimekataa.
At this point, I feel like I should go back home. He could have me, by the way. There's just something about hiking, and I'm wheezing, man. It's not that challenging. It's just that I've not done this in a while. Nimezoea kukaa Nairobi kunini. See, like, those is easy things. So right now, due to moving about, Jesus Christ, akisi uko nomo. Esasi uko nomo. Ama nitoe sweta. Someone remind me why I came here. But it's fun anyway. The next one that's hadi majina zinapotea. So the next one that I'm gonna be doing, it's gonna be the next one that we are going. It's gonna be we're gonna be doing Logonot. Let me just remove the sweater. The rest of the people are here already, and then they're saying that it's already apana. We chill kidogo and then we carry on. Tumetokelezea in mwalimu wa mathematics hapa ni wapi? Let me tell you, Maina. at this point everyone was so exhausted. All we needed to do was like snack, take some juice, just get anything, chill out. Ona venye nilikuwa nimebig. And also apart from chilling and doing those other things, we took a few photos just to like, you know, for the social media, for the glam, I mean. Tubaki na mishangao. Niko sawa? Niko sawa? Say bwana. Haya, this is a video.
1, 2, 3.
Rudiani. Mara ya mwisho. Yeah. Masa picha imeisha, we need to carry on with the journey. I think we're almost done.
Not bad.
The people ziplining above us, so as you've seen, the people ziplining above us, we took a shot, okay, here we go. Hey.
Haiwezi kuama hii kitu.
Took a shorter hike that was of about 2 hours because people wanted to do this. Like people really needed to do this. Did I do it? Did I do it? I don't know. Tumekuja kulove us.
Zipitie shortcut. Haya. Hey, na karibu kuna shimo hapo.
Careful. Hapa ni wapi? Hebu uliza mwalimu wa Mau.
Hapa ni wapi?
Yeah. It's safe to say that we made it to the waterfall and back. Very good. Nakuletea zawadi. This was a surprise from Zorira Nature Walks and Adventure to its customer, mean like the October babies. This is so nice. Oh, we really had fun. We've come to the end of this video. The people who did other activities like ziplining, archery, bike riding, paintballing, you name them. But before I go, I'm gonna leave you with Rosemary. She's all the way from Uganda. Just listen to her. She's very wise, and yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you for keeping up with me. I'm your host, Karanja Munjiru.
Yes.
Hi Anne.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was ziplining?
It was fun.
How many lines?
6.
6 lines.
Yes.
How was it?
It was awesome.
Would you like to do it again?
Over and over again.
Meet Rosemary. So hey guys, I'm here with Rosemary. She has picked a very interesting question. Maybe she could read it out for us. Let me just connect you to the mic, okay, so that everyone could hear you. How would you like to?
I don't know. Whichever is better. So
let me just hold it for you.
Thank you. So the question is, what kind of what's a small act of kindness you can do to brighten someone's day?
I think I like food, so I would take someone for a meal. A very nice one.
Oh, perfect. That's a good one. So would you like to take me for a meal?
Why not?
Oh, thank you. Would you like to get another one? Just get another one. They're easy.
Okay. What's the most adventurous thing you've done, or what's your adventure bucket list? Well, I went hiking Mountain Rwenzori.
Okay.
I think it's one of the most adventurous things I've done.
Where is it?
In Uganda.
Oh,
yeah.
That's a good one. I've never known about the mountain.
You should. It's the mountain of, they call it the mountain of the moon.
Oh, Mountain of the Moon. Oh, perfect.
You should come for a hike.
I'll make sure to check it out. I love hiking myself.
And I've come to Kenya on a solo adventure.
Oh.
And it's been crazy, but I've enjoyed it. And
what's crazy about being in Kenya?
When you don't know Swahili, you have to try so hard to find someone who speaks some English. Of course, almost everyone speaks.
Oh, yeah.
But then everyone tries to speak like Swahili. And okay.
And then they're mixing the English with Swahili. Like, Sasa, how are you?
And you're like lost, but it's good.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. It's nice to meet you, Rosemary.
It's nice to meet you.
I'm having fun doing these questionnaires with you. Would you like to get another one? Just the last one.
Last one, okay.
Yeah, the last one.
I hope this one is simple.
Okay.
Let me just take this.
Okay.
If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? I feel like I'm wonderful. I've been asked this question before. What did I reply? What would I change about the world? I would make it a little bit free, so that everyone can do everything they want and enjoy themselves. But still, most especially traveling, you find that mostly like here in Africa, you're limited to travel. You have to get a visa or it's difficult sometimes.
Yeah.
So I think I would make Africa free to move around. Any African person to move around and go check out, say, South Africa or Ethiopia.
Oh, yeah.
And you do not have to have
visa or anything. Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. I mean,
that's it for the question.
It's our life it's our right to move.
Yeah.
So we should be free to move around.
Move about and enjoy what each and every country is offering. So what's next on your bucket list?
So from here, I think I have to go to the UK. I want to go to there, and I'm pursuing my visa.
Okay.
How would life be if I had to just board a plane and go without having to ask for permission?
Very easy and smooth. Thank you so much, Rosemary. Have a good one. I hope that you had an amazing time in Kenya. And I wish you well in your travel. Thank you so much. I like your sneakers, by the way.